Hey guys, how you doing? Thank you for tuning into a brand new video. Today we have 4 of these 215 million cash explosion $20 tickets. I bought the rest of them actually, 000 to 003. Pretty much, odds are 1 in 3.10. Match and win, money bags $100 instantly, and then there's a 20x for 20 times the prize. So, 80 bucks. I haven't done a big session in a while like this, so might as well test our luck. All right, so let's see if we can find any good winners. I've seen a lot of people get claimers. I think it's my turn. All right, looking for a 9, 13, 3, 34, 18, 2, and a 38. Let's do it. 12. Blackjack. I mean, it's got to be a winner, right? 48. 35. 14. 30 Savion. 42. No 40s. 23. 33. Nope. Lucky 32. No. No 40s. 39. Nope. 31. Nope. Can we find that money bag? 7 and last spot. 43. No. Yep. Ticket number 1. I'm trying to move this down just a hair more. There we go. Oh, stomach just growled. All right, let's simple hunt. Nope, for some reason I thought we had 231s for a second. I was like, hey, there we go. Nope. Come on, money bags. I just want to swipe one row and it'll be like all money bags for 5 hundo. 342. No duplicate numbers so far. 44, 8, 43. Whoop. And last bit. 440, 25, no dope. Nope, doesn't look like any duplicate numbers. At least for what I can tell. Or what I can see. Let's do it. We're gonna do it up here. 48. Nope. 25. Nope. 26. Nope. 5. Nope. Lucky 32. Nope. 40 Savion. Nope. And a 20 Savion. No. Brutal. Alright, let's see if 002 treats is any better. Alright, looking for a 36, 10, 3, 41, 22, 13, and an 18. It's going to be right here. Nope. 46. 15. 49. 39. 45. 33. A 50. Wow, haven't seen a 50 in a while. But no. 4. 31. Nope. 20 Savion. A 9er. A deuce. No. Oh, these tickets are brutal. Maybe we're saving the best for last. 43. 48. Well, this is not good. 34. Excuse me. 6 and 35. Okay. Okie dokie. Last ticket. Ticket number 3. Looking for 37. a 9, 30, 47, 41, 40, and a deuce. Can this be the ticket? Let's find out. An 8, 4, 25, 3, 26, 50. There's a 50 again. 17. Nope. Wow. 31. Oof. All I need is a little money bag. Show itself. And then we profit just a little bit. And I'll take it. I'll take a win though. 15. 43. 28. 42. 6. Last row. 23. 13. 5 and 4. Well, if I can grab the coin. For $1,000. 49. Whew. Okay, well that is a heartbreaker. So out of 80 bucks back, or out of 80 bucks spent, we got a total of $0. How you guys like them apples? So if you guys did enjoy, please leave a like rating down below. Let's show some love for this very busto session. And yeah, so I guess we'll just have to keep on trying, shall we? But if you guys did enjoy, please leave a like rating down below, and we'll catch y'all on the next one. Goodbye.